Wheelie! Put it in your mouth. Oh, run! It's fine! Oh! Sorry to everyone. Oh. Hi, I'm Adam, and before you skip to the exciting part of the video, I want to help you out. Now, it seems every single video I get a lot of people asking me how I find out about these car shows that I go to. And even in the last video that I did for carhuddle.com, I had 2 comments who had skipped that part of the video asking me how I find out about these events and how they can too. So, Car Huddle, it's there for you to use. So it is a global website, so any car show in the world can be added to carhuddle.com. It's up to you as a community to start using it and add your own events to help other people out, and then you can discover which events to go to when you're a little bit bored. So today, I'm doing just that. It's a Saturday today. It's a bit drizzly outside of this shed, but tomorrow it's going to be a little bit less drizzly, and I might take the Cobra out. So I'm going to have a look on Car Huddle myself, see what I can find, show you how to do it. But first I'd like to point out one event that I think you would be very interested in, which is on the 27th of December. So BPJ Modified, you may remember them from the summer when I attended one of their very large shows. They are hosting another event at the Buxton Raceway. All the information can be found in the link below to the Car Huddle event page about it. It costs just £5 to enter, and there's space for up to 2,000 cars. I myself should be attending, so I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. So that's already one event on Car Huddle for you. Now for me and this video, I am going to have a look at what is nearby. Scrolling down the homepage, there's quite a lot on the homepage, but you can also search or use the map feature to see what car shows are near you. I can see there's a classic car show down in Bordon. So I'm going to take the Cobra there. It looks to be a free event, and I get £2 off if I take a classic car. The Cobra's not strictly classic, but hopefully we shall see. So I shall catch up with you once I am in the Cobra. So today I'm dressed as an idiot, and we're heading off to the car meet, which is for classic cars down in Bordon. Now, they say classic cars pre-1990. This was assembled in 2005. Let's see if they notice. The engine's from 74, so I should be good. So I'll catch up with you once I'm there. Let's have a look around. So far we've got a Cortina and an Anglia and a Land Rover next to me, just waiting for some of the cars to arrive. We are a little bit early. Ah yes, we heard some pops, and it's a Mazda 3 MPS. So the car park just over there is the overflow for modern cars, which is where I should really be, but I'm amongst the 60s mobiles. Some more arrivals. We've got a Chevy Bel Air and a Triumph Stag with a hardtop. We've got the Mazda 3 MPS and this turquoise Toyota behind him, and a classic doing what all classics do, arriving on the back of a flatbed. We've got examples of how to do it. We've also got a Beetle and a very wild 350Z Rocket Bunny turning up. So how's that for variety? We've got the Volkswagen Beetle and the 350Z, which will not be in the classic parking. Look, it's like Christmas has come early. There's a Peugeot Bipper. There's an MG VGT, another 350Z, it's a bit of me, and then a Mach 1 Mustang, not forgetting the Astra VXR and the Clio RS. I do love the Mustang Mach 1. I think I just like cars with really long bonnets. That's my passion in life. I could hear induction, Weber carbs, and it is a Ford Escort Mark II, of course it is.
That's escorting him in.
Very cool. Notchback rolling in. So whilst cars are arriving, we're going to go and get some food and then come back and see what has turned up. If you'll go down to the woods today. So we have full bellies now, and we've got this Volkswagen with a turkey on its roof. I'm guessing it's a German fire engine.
Oh, turkey on its head.
The puppy looks freezing. Look at him, he's so miserable. So we get to the top of the car park, we've got this very quirky Ford pickup. We've got this Volkswagen bay window camper. I think we have time for a sticker showcase. Think this is slow, wait till we go uphill. So this is a 1966 Ford Econoline which has a wheelie bar on the back and nitrous oxide in the bed. And this Ford is for sale for £77,482,045. We've got this Chevy stepside with genuine OEM moss on the bumper, the bonnet and down the side, and a dead person inside the cabin. Oh yes, I remember this model. It came with the OEM swimming pool in the back as well. We got the Chevy Custom 10 obviously standing for its rating out of 10, and the Mark 1 Ford Focus 1.6 with the 46 sticker on the back. We've got even more Chevrolet pickups with their California styled number plates. California. We've got crafty wood, fine cabinetry.
That's a 20-inch Steely.
Oh, that is a 20-inch Steely. Massive steel wheels with the low profile tyres. He's got his box of body parts in the back. Oh. It's a 27-gallon tough tote. Caja Recente D102 litros. And here we have this Cadillac Coupe de Ville, one of the world's longest two-door cars. 7 hours later, I've reached the rear. What are you doing? Got another Chevy pickup. It's been leaking a little bit because there's a lot of moisture in the bed here. The roof doesn't really work. There's a horse emblem on the front. We have also been checking out this Morgan three-wheeler with its front-mounted V-twin. We've got advance and retard, the choke and throttle. We've got the fuel prime here. And round this side, you'll notice the chock used as a handbrake because apparently that one doesn't work. Here is the gear shifter, and also this little aluminium section is a cutaway for what looks to be some kind of throttle pedal. Blah, 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 blah. NOS. There's a NOS sticker on it. We've got this Chevy pickup with the American racing wheels and a cow inside. Got the Mark II Escort and the Pontiac Trans Am, the classic Firebird livery. That is looking pretty sweet. All of this oil on the floor is definitely not from any of the classic cars that are on display today. It's an actual fact that classic cars don't bleed oil. Oh. If it's leaking oil, it's got oil. We've got a very custom pickup next to me. And in the electric charging bay, we have a Ford Model T with its wooden spoke wheels. We've got some motor bicycles doing some sounds. We've got a SL coming in. Oh wow, there's a green-eyed Dodge Challenger parked over there. Didn't notice that. So we've got this Land Rover with NHS thanks on the door. Fire brigade, police, teachers, chemists, children. Thanks to the children. Why are we thanking children? No smoke, no poke. Let's have a look at this demonic green-eyed Dodge Challenger looking pretty evil. Red eyes would just be too predictable. It's even got a faint American-style starred stripe up the side as well. Tinted windows, some more America flags on the rear screen as well, some more green on the filler cap. Round the back it's got the very polished quad tip exhausts, wide arches and RT badges on the side, very arty. So we're now venturing to the public parking for the non-classics. I can see the front end of the Rocket Bunny 350Z. We will have a little look at that one. We've also got an MX-5, and the other 350Z is parked next to the Rocket Bunny one. So you got a bit of a 350Z combo, then you've got the Clio, the Astra and the MX-5 behind them. Even more MX-5s over there as well, and another MX-5 there. But here is the Rocket Bunny 350Z grey with the silver bonnet. I really like that with the faint bronze wheels as well.
Oh my god, it's got Christmas lights on it!
Oh, it's got Christmas lights on the spoiler. If only it was an evening meet, we'd be able to see the festivities. I turned them on.
Don't turn them on!
They just changed the mode.
Oh no! I hope the owner's not near. We've got a new arrival, a Nissan Skyline R33. So as the R33 is leaving, we're going to go to the departure lounge and film some of the cars departing of the meet. So we'll get a little zoom shot of the R33. We have the Granada estate leaving the show. Oh, he's doing a burnout. Ah. Stag. Lots of V8s here today. I like the triple rear lights on the back of the Impala. I didn't notice that earlier. We've got some off-roaders causing havoc in the town. They're held up by the Volkswagen. Oh, the Volkswagen's coming this way. He's doing a wheelie! We could not have predicted that. We have the Mark II Escort next up. A speedy getaway to get away from the van. We've got the bay window camper with the blue respray looking fantastic. Bayside blue, we're going to call it. The bay window, the blue paintwork. He is living up to his sticker. You think I'm slow? Wait till I drive up a hill. He's still there. Still there. Oh, she's picking up something from the grass. What's she got?
She's got some grass.
What's she got? She's collecting grass for her grass collection. You can't smoke that, love. Off goes the E30. Maybe she's a lawnmower at heart.
You're gonna eat it.
Go on, eat it. Put it in your mouth. Oh, that's a nice batch. Oh yeah, that's some good grass there. Oh, she's going back. You don't want northern grass. Oh, there you go. More southern grass down there. Well, she's collecting grass. She's going to put that in a pipe and smoke it. Oh, yes, that particular patch over there. Much better than the previous patch. Is she going to clock any more?
Unless she knows something we don't.
She must do. Look, she's about to. There she goes. Oh, I love that. That was some good grass. Oh, are we missing a trick?
Hopefully.
She doesn't say thank you. She says gracias. Thanks for the lot. Oh,
Oh no.
oh, run with the grass. Oh, she's stealing the grass. Maybe it's theft. She gets a high of theft, but she's not actually allowed. Oh, she's going into her house. Maybe she's regrassing her lawn and one blade at a time. Wolfsburg Restos, cars and parts. Autos and parts. I don't know German for parts. Partenschneiden. They have put the roof down on the Model T and there are 4 of them riding along. Welcome to Great Britain, where we drive around in Model Ts every single day. Off goes Britain, there goes Germany. How is the turkey going to stay on the roof?
Cooking it later for dinner.
Yeah. It's a lot of noise. What's coming? Oh look, it's a Rover 2000? Pop. Now this is very cool, the Rally Spec Mark II Escort. It's one of those cars that doesn't like being driven slowly, so let's see what happens. Oh, it's being driven slowly. Oh, squeak goes the Wosley. Oh, look at the downwards facing exhaust with the chrome tip. Steaming nicely. Very peachy with the green stripes. That looks very clean with interesting looking rear lights, as we'll see as it leaves. That is very nice. We've also got the Triumph stand leaving the other way, but that is unique. I think all of the engines are slightly cold. The dog is a fan. Look at him. He's so happy. Next one, we've got the green-eyed Dodge Challenger. Cheeky boy, cheeky. He does not like the fumes that came out of the tyre. We've got the Beetle leaving as well, popping a little flame as he does. Not sure they were meant to do that out of the factory. Oh, there were big flames from the Beetle. It's like being at a McDonald's meet, watching courses and Fiestas pop and bang.
Oh, she's not like that. She's looking at a kid like.
Oh, yes, she is apologising to her child. Oh no, she loves it. Oh, the Beetle got sideways around the roundabout. I saw it out the corner of my eye. Oh, there we go. Well, we're going to get a little flyby from the Beetle. I just thought it would wiggle out. More flames. There it is. Oh. Cheeky. Fly-by!
Beetle combo.
Beetle combo? Oh, the cat! Oh, wow! Wow, it's Spider Cat. Oh, the Beetle didn't get sideways. That was the closest scenario. It's fine. Oh, Oh yeah, we've got the diesel Landy with the side pipe. The side pipe is of course on the pavement side, so everyone who's standing on a pavement dies of fumes. Look. Sorry to everyone still on the pavement. Luckily today there isn't anyone because we're all at home wrapping Christmas presents. There goes the Fiat 128 Sport. I'm going to cross to the traffic island to capture the next few departures. I do love a Pontiac Trans Am in the classic livery, looking stunning. Obviously, cold engines being a frosty December morning, very artistic. And next along we have the Morgan Freewheeler. There we go, the Morgan Freewheeler. Looking very cold on the December morning. And finally we have the Rocket Bunny 350Z leaving with a Mustang behind him. Cheeky manoeuvres. Mustang notchback. We're now going to get a flyby from the Morgan Freewheeler. Listen to this V-twin. Welcome to Britain. So whilst there are still a few more cars here and the sun is actually just starting to come out, I'm going to go home because I've got to get back for something. So that was a small local classic car show. What's wrong with the car? Oh, I'm missing an A. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Follow me on Instagram for all the highlights and updates about these meets I go to and pictures and behind the scenes action. But for now, thanks for watching.